Okay guys, so I just came across something truly amazing that I couldn't wait to share with you all. So if you love working with WordPress, or if you regularly design websites like we do, you're not going to believe your eyes. So imagine getting access to over 360 beautiful WordPress themes plus 8 premium plugins, and all of this for just $69. And I'm sure that you would agree with me that if you were to buy that bundle for just $69, you probably won't have to buy another theme for quite some time. Okay, let me show you. And there it is, guys. I found it on the AppSumo website, and as always, I'll leave a link in the description below. So as you can see here, the normal price is $299 actually, and down by 77%. So the deal at the moment is $69 only, and it's a one-time purchase. So you buy this, and then you can build as many websites as you want and use all the themes in it separately. So that's absolutely great, And for that price, you get a massive 360 plus themes bundled with 8 premium plugins. So all together, I'm going to say it's a lifetime deal. This is absolutely amazing, Okay, so now let me show you what's in that bundle and also how easy it is to install in WordPress. Okay, so once you've purchased your bundle, you'll be redirected to this page here. These are all your downloads, and you have all these different zip files, as you can see. So these are all your elements, theme builder, blocks, other themes, and they're organized by year as well, 23, 22, 21, and all the plugins. So all you need to do now is basically download all these files separately, save them on your hard drive, and then you can start the installation in your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so let's say you start with a fresh WordPress installation like this one. The only plugin you need to install is Elementor, because all the templates are based on the Elementor page builder. And once you have this done, you can start installing any of those themes. So for this, we go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, Upload Theme, and then choose the file you want to upload, obviously, So click on this. Okay, so let me go to the root folder here. So basically, these are all the files I downloaded from their website. And once you extract them, it will create different folders. And then you can open any of them folders and then select any of those themes. So as you can see, you have auto parts, bakery, feminine shop, architecture, etc., etc. So pick any of them based on the project you're going to build. So let's say, for instance, solar power here. Okay, so click on that, open, and then now click install now, and then activate. Very good. So right here on top, as you can see, we need to install Contact Form 7. So click on Begin Installing Plugin, and then install. So it's very easy, just follow the steps top to bottom, okay? And then return here and then activate it. Very good. And as you can see now, we have this instruction here. So get started with SKT Solar Power. So click on that. And right here in the middle, you can see it says activate it. What is that? Well, basically it's Elementor. We already installed Elementor and it already activated. But if it wasn't, basically you'd get a reminder here. So let's proceed with the next step, which is to install the Themes Demo Importer. Okay, so click on this, activate. And now we can proceed to the next step and import the demo content. So click on that again, and that's it. So as you can see, it started now. And there you go, guys. You can see that's done already. So that took only maybe 30 seconds altogether, depending on how fast your internet connection is, obviously, So let's have a look at our website. So we go to the front end, and there it is. As you can see, a beautiful hero section here with 3 different slides. We can go from one to the other. And then scroll down the page, and then we'll see all these sections are absolutely gorgeous. It's very professional, and you can see they put a lot of time and effort in designing this. It's not just the basic theme or template or layout you find online. I think they look absolutely stunning and very professional. See, there's a sliding effect here, beautiful images as well. If you were to build a website for someone who's in the solar industry, well, your website is almost done here. All you have to do is basically change the text here and there, add their logo, and that's it. Bob's your uncle, So this also is going to save you a lot of time, obviously. And look, even at the footer section, I think those colors are absolutely stunning. So all together, guys, this is absolutely amazing, And for the price, you get 360 themes and 8 plugins. All of that for just $66, You can't complain at that price. So if you go back to your WordPress dashboard, you'll notice they installed also different sections here by the side. You have your photo gallery, energy sources, project, testimonials, and teams. So everything that's being used on the website dynamically is also created here for you automatically. So it's not just the theme, it's all the tools that go with it and also the plugins. Now let me show you a few of the other themes so you have an idea of what's available in that bundle. Okay guys, let me show you this just to give you an idea of what you're getting for $66. It's an unreal value. It's absolutely insane, you know. So this is the first page only. So if you scroll down, there you go. As you can see, we have the solar panel, the one we just installed. Keep scrolling down, keep scrolling down, keep scrolling down. This is the first page. And as you can see here, there's 13 pages altogether. So let's have a look at the second one. And right here, what do we have? Podcast, accounting, dermatology, shoes, etc, etc. And if you want to have a look at the website, all you have to do is basically click on it. Okay, click on the demo here. It will open in a new tab. So let me zoom in a little bit. There you go. So if you scroll down, as you can see, that looks very, very professional again, you know. All their themes are very well designed, professionally done, and they put a lot of effort into that, you know. As you can see, this is not just quickly put together in just a few minutes. They put hours and hours of work into this, and this is going to save you a lot of time, and then you can charge your customers accordingly. And now you understand why I couldn't wait to share this with you, because this is such an incredible value. Now perhaps you'd like to find out how you can get paid in Bitcoins on your WordPress website. If this is the case, I'll leave a video right here.